Hello, here have a prediction for Assemble AI, okay, and here have the price, okay, it's the price is the $0.07, okay, and in the 7 days ago have the 14 more than 14% the turning height, okay, in the 7 days ago, and have the market cap, okay, it's the market cap is the 100 millions, and here have the website of Assemble AI, okay, it's the AI, okay, and here have the exchange for the Assemble AI, Coinbase, Gate.io, Orange X, okay, it's a exchange for the Bydescript, okay. Here have the graphic, okay. This crypto has created in the 20 year, okay, and my prediction for this crypto, okay, it's a more than in height, okay. Here have the regular price. This is a moment for the buy Assemble AI. It's my prediction, okay. I think this, okay, and here my prediction for this crypto is 10 in height, okay, and this is my prediction. Bye bye.